Infiniti has announced that the newest QX80, the luxurious version of the Patrol, will now come with a new 3.5L twin-turbo petrol V6 engine, replacing the current 5.6L naturally aspirated V8. The new engine produces 335 kW, which is 37 kW more than the existing petrol V8. The torque has also increased by 138 Nm, now reaching 698 Nm. Compared to the LandCruiser 300 twin-turbo diesel, it offers 108 kW more power, although it has 2 Nm less torque. Meanwhile, the Lexus LX600 twin-turbo petrol V6 delivers 30 kW less power and 50 Nm less torque. The upgraded 9-speed torque converter automatic transmission will replace the current 7-speed unit. The wider gear ratios of this new transmission will improve acceleration and fuel economy, giving a more responsive drive. The engine code name, VR35DDTT, shows that the 3.5L twin-turbo engine is an improved version of the 3.0L twin-turbo VR30DDTT found in the Nissan Z sports car. The new Infiniti QX80 will also include features such as air suspension with adaptive dampers, providing a smoother ride and a quieter cabin due to higher body rigidity. Inspired by the Infiniti QX monograph concept revealed in mid-2023, the upcoming Infiniti QX80 gives us a preview of the next-generation Y63 Nissan Patrol expected to arrive in Australia by 2026. Both vehicles will share several design elements. However, spy photos show that the Patrol will have traditional door handles and larger headlights, while the QX80 will feature hidden handles and slimmer headlights. A production-ready Patrol prototype shown to US dealers closely resembled the Range Rover, with a more muscular look and updated headlights and taillights. The interior has been completely redesigned with a more modern layout. The 2026 Nissan Patrol will also be revealed in the following months.